friends, welcome to Knowledge World. My name is Vijay and today we are going to speak about speed reading. I will be giving you the secrets of speed reading. So let's go ahead and understand the secrets. What are the secrets of speed reading? Number one, friends, whenever we read any book, we tend to note down each and every word that we do not understand from the book. I remember when I was in 6th standard, the first novel that I had read, the name of the novel was Hardy Boys. It was a Hardy Boys series. It was basically an investigation novel. I remember when I was reading that novel, I was not able to understand any damn thing about the novel. What is written in there, what's the story. So what I did is, I started writing down whatever I was not able to understand. Basically, I was not able to understand what the novel was. All I knew was what's the story of the novel, because I had read the blurb of the novel at the back of the novel. So I kept noting down the words that I was not able to understand, and it was huge bunch of the words. And then after that, I never bothered to check those words into the dictionary. Few words, of course, I checked, but I did not check all the words from that novel. Later on, when I started reading, I also used to make this mistake. I used to note down the words that I was not able to understand. But then I started realizing that it's taking a lot of time if I do that. And basically, if you do not understand any specific word of any book, and if you read the complete sentence, you will be able to understand that word. Basically, in the fiction books, where the beauty of the fiction book lies in the story of the book. Now, if while reading the fiction book, if you keep on noting the words that you do not understand, you will spoil the story of the fiction book. The author writes the book, puts the words which are related to the story of the book. I would suggest is, of course, writing down the words that you do not understand is a good habit, but don't be so choosy that you go and note down each and every word that you do not understand of each and every book that you read. Basically, just write few words that you do not understand. This would basically increase your reading speed. Second tip is that before buying any book, make sure that you read the index, the summary and the blurbs of the book. Take the book in your hand. Check out the in and out of the book. Feel the book in your hand. Check the blurb of the book, which is basically all the time at the back of the book. Author has given a summary. He has mentioned few lines which describes what is there in the book. If you like what's written at the back of the book, go ahead and get the book. If you don't, do not get the book. Also, many times it happens for a specific topic, say for example finance. One might have read many books on this specific topic, and he might have purchased this book, and by reading at the index of the book, he might feel that, oh, these chapters are same from the other books. But let me tell you here is that in the first few chapters, the author is kind of making a build-up of the book. He may use few terms in the first few chapters which would mean something. The real fun, the real gem, the real juice of the book lies in the middle of the book. And then if you are someone who likes numbers, who likes statistics, who likes figures, who likes graphs, and then you buy this type of book, and then while reading the book, you find out what the term, any specific term that you are looking for, any specific graph that you are searching for. If you are not able to find that graph in the book, what you can do is you can move 4 to 5 pages further. You get the graph, you study the graph carefully, and then you move back 4 to 5 pages. By doing this, you will be able to understand that graph, and while reading those that page, you will be able to read faster and understand in a much better way. Tip number 3, sub-vocalization. Friends, many of us have this habit of reading loudly. Say for example, if we are reading any book, we read it loudly. What happens is that when we do this, we kind of decrease the speed of our reading. Also, we read it slowly and loudly. I also had this habit few years back, but then by practice I was able to eliminate this habit. One other tip in this would be, whatever book you get, make sure you get the audio for the same book. and you listen to the audio clip the same time you are reading the book. And also you would need to increase the speed of the audio clip to 1.5x, because the normal speed that we get of the audio book is very slow. And if I consider myself now, I am not that slow reader. I would increase the speed to 1.5x. Friends, there are two benefits with this. First, you increase the speed of the reading because you will read at the speed that you are listening to audio. Second tip is that you will be a very good listener. Tip number 4, make reading your lifestyle. Make sure that you have books everywhere. Also make sure that if you want to improve your English, you make it a habit that you read at least for 30 minutes a day. And not necessarily that you would need to read only English novels or English books. You can also go ahead and read newspaper. Also you can read articles. Go on Google and search for any article. You will find blogs on articles, and that's a very good read, and which will definitely improve your English. Fifth and the final tip, consider yourself as a reader. Friends, it happens that we do not consider ourselves as readers. Whenever we are reading something, we think that after completing my education, I did not read even a single book. Or you might think that after the completion of my education, I have read just 10 books. Friends, let me tell you here is that you have at least read 10 books. You have something to say about those 10 books. Friends, next time whenever you are posting on Facebook or Instagram or any other social media, make sure that instead of posting your picture, you post the picture of this book and you write something about this book. So friend, these were the 5 secrets of speed reading. That's it for now until we meet again. Thank you very much.